Today I want to show you this very quick whip up of a hat. It is done in a very bulky yarn, so it doesn't take up a lot of time to do at all. This is a simple ribbed hat. You've probably seen a million of these before. I just wanted to give you my take on it and my little fibs, and then also the stitch numbers for this beautiful Yarnicorn yarn. You can wear it like this, or you can fold up the sides and use it more like a little top hat. And yeah, I will give you all the instructions from now. First, a little about the materials. For the yarn, I've used this amazing yarn from We Are Knitters. It's called the wool, and the color is Yarnicorn. You can see all the other info right here. So you see it's a very, very big yarn we are using for this. I will, of course, write down in the description below where you can find this yarn out and how much you will need for this. Then I've used a 10mm crochet hook and some scissors, a big tapestry needle, and then a pom-pom of your choosing. We will begin with a chain, so make a slip knot. And then we'll chain 18. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 18 times. When you chained up 18, you will now skip the first chain and move on to the second chain, where you will do a single crochet. So skip the first one, do a single crochet in the next. Then find your next chain down at the bottom, single crochet into this. Continue all the way across with one single crochet in each chain. You chained up 18 and you skip the first one, so you should have 17 single crochet when you're across. When you're all the way across, your first row looks like this. Now you will chain one and turn the work. So yarn over, pull through, and turn the work. From now on, we will only be working through the back loop of the stitch. So this is the entire stitch. We will only be working through the back loop. So this is the back loop, and we will only be working through this one. We will still skip the first one, so skip your turning chain, move on to the second stitch and do a single crochet, but only through the back loop of the stitch. Single crochet. Find your next stitch, push through the back loop of the stitch, and single crochet. Continue all the way across with one single crochet in the back loop of each stitch. So one back loop single crochet in each stitch across. And then the next row is ready. Then we will repeat this row again and again. So you will chain one to turn, skip your turning chain, move on to the second stitch and back loop single crochet. Continue with one back loop single crochet in each stitch across. Just repeat this row again and again with one back loop single crochet in each stitch until you have 32 rows in total. Then we will cut the yarn. Remember leaving a bit of a tail for sewing. Then pull this loop through so the yarn is secured. And then we are ready to sew it up. You can, of course, do it with a slip stitch in each stitch across, so you'll sew it together like that, or you can just use your tapestry needle and sew it together. I will use my tapestry needle. So you saw I folded it like this, and then I will sew it together all along the edge, all the way down. When you're all the way at the bottom, I really like this actually, it looks cute. But now I will turn it so I have the right side out. So, and now this is the top of the head. So I will now make a seam all the way around. I will just insert the hook, the needle, sorry, and then up over here, and then up, down, up through all the rows, like this, all the way around, and then remember pulling it together along as you go. And when you're all the way around, you make sure to pull it real good so the top is completely closed. So there don't come in any snow or cold. Then you'll just secure it just a bit on top. So the gap is closed and the yarn won't unravel again. Just through some stitches, just so it won't get up. And then I will push the needle through on the inside, and then I will weave in the end on the inside of the head. When the yarn is secured, we can now attach the pom-pom. If your pom-pom has one of these little rubber things like mine, you can put a button, you can just sew it in with a regular thread and needle on the inside of the head. Then you find the center of the head, just like here, and then take a smaller hook and take it through, and then catch this little rubber thing and pull it through the gap and around your button. Then you can easily change the pom-pom if you prefer another color one day, or if you want to wash your head and you don't want the pom-pom to get in the washing machine. So now it's around this button inside, and you have your pom-pom attached on the head. Oh, okay. Choose a bigger button or do the the gap a bit smaller so the button won't get up. Note to self. All right, maybe a bigger pom-pom. I don't know. Yeah, I really like this color, so I just wanted to show you the color. So you can fold this up and use it like a little hat like this, or you can keep it down. That's totally up to you. Now it's done. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!